right now, without even realizing it. You are practicing habits every single day that are making your mind weaker, softer, and more fragile than ever before. Research shows that 92% of people regularly practice at least 7 of these 10 habits. And the result is a generation of people who cannot handle discomfort, cannot make decisions, and cannot control their own emotions. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to expose every single habit and give you the exact replacement that builds unbreakable mental strength. Stay until habit number 7. Most people cannot even admit they do this one. Habit number 1, avoiding discomfort. And this is the foundation of every other habit on this list. Every time you avoid discomfort, your brain registers it as a threat survived. And over time, your nervous system starts treating more and more things as threats, until even small challenges feel absolutely overwhelming. Skipping the workout because you don't feel like it. Avoiding the difficult conversation because it feels uncomfortable. Quitting the hard task because it is challenging. Every single avoidance is a withdrawal from your mental strength bank. The replacement, deliberately seek one uncomfortable thing every single day. Your brain builds mental strength the same way muscles build physical strength, through resistance, challenge, and recovery. No discomfort means no growth, ever. Do this for 30 days, and you'll be genuinely shocked by how much your tolerance for difficulty has expanded, and how much easier your daily life actually feels. Habit number 2, overthinking. And this one is the most energy-draining habit on the entire list. Overthinking is not problem-solving. It is problem-avoiding dressed up as thinking. When you overthink, you are not analyzing the situation more clearly. You're simply using mental energy to avoid making a decision and taking responsibility for the outcome. Overthinkers consistently imagine the worst possible outcome, and their brain responds to that imagined disaster with real stress hormones, real cortisol, real anxiety. They are literally stressing their body with events that have never happened and will likely never happen. The replacement, the 5-second rule. The moment you notice yourself overthinking, count down 5-4-3-2-1 and take one small physical action. This interrupts the thought loop and forces your brain out of analysis mode and into action mode. Also, journal your thoughts for 10 minutes every morning. Getting thoughts out of your head and onto paper removes their power over you and frees up mental space for clear, focused action. Habit number 3, seeking validation. And this one has become an epidemic in the age of social media. When your sense of worth depends on external validation, likes, comments, people's opinions, you have given away your most important power. Your emotional state is now controlled by strangers on the internet, and that is the definition of mental weakness. Validation seekers also constantly change their opinions and values to match whoever they are around. They have no solid identity because their identity is built entirely from other people's reflections of them. The replacement, build an internal validation system. Every evening, write down 3 things you did well today. Not what others thought of you, but what you know you did with integrity and effort. Make yourself your own most important audience. When you become your own validation source, criticism loses its power. Praise loses its addictive quality. And you finally become free to live as who you actually are, not who others need you to be. Habit number 4, daily complaining. Every complaint you make trains your brain to scan for problems, and what your brain scans for it finds more of. Chronic complainers literally rewire their brains to see the negative in every situation. The replacement, for every complaint, force yourself to identify one possible solution. Not because everything is perfect, but because solution-focused thinking builds a mind that is genuinely useful under pressure. Habit number 5, living in the past. Mentally replaying old mistakes, old rejections, old failures on a constant loop. Your brain cannot distinguish between a vivid memory and present reality. So reliving the past creates present suffering. The replacement, extract the lesson, then release the event. Ask yourself, What did this teach me? How has it made me stronger? Then consciously redirect your attention to the present moment and the future you are building. Habit number 6, constant comparison. Comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel is the fastest way to destroy your confidence and mental strength simultaneously. The replacement: compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Are you better than yesterday? Stronger? More disciplined? More knowledgeable? That is the only competition that actually matters, and it is one you can win every single day. Habit number 7, and I told you this one hits hardest: people-pleasing. Saying yes when you mean no. Shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. Prioritizing everyone else's needs above your own mental health and personal goals. The replacement: practice saying no without explanation. No is a complete sentence. Every time you say no to something that doesn't serve your growth, you say yes to your own mental strength and the life you are actually trying to build. Habit number 8, avoiding hard decisions. Letting others decide for you. Waiting for someone to tell you what to do. Avoiding choices because you fear making the wrong one. Every avoided decision is a signal to your brain that you cannot trust yourself, and that belief makes you weaker every single day. The replacement: make decisions faster. Not recklessly, but decisively. Set a time limit for decisions. Small ones get 2 minutes. Medium ones get 24 hours. Big ones get 1 week. Then decide and commit, because a wrong decision executed well beats no decision every time. Habit number 9, victim mentality. And this one is the deepest and most destructive habit on the entire list. The victim mentality is not just about complaining. It is a complete identity built around the belief that external forces control your life. And as long as you hold that belief, you will always be right, because you will never take the actions that could change your situation. The replacement: the creator mindset. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I create from this? Instead of who is to blame, ask, what is my next move? This single mental shift is worth more than any talent, education, or advantage you could ever have. Habit number 10, the final and perhaps most overlooked habit: no boundaries. And this one affects your mental strength more profoundly than most people ever realize. When you have no boundaries, you have no protected space for your own mental recovery, your own goals, your own peace. Everyone gets access to you, your time, your energy, your emotional bandwidth, and you're left with nothing to build your own life with. The replacement: define your non-negotiable boundaries this week. Your time for deep work is protected. Your mental recovery time is protected. Your energy goes first to your own growth and then to others. Boundaries are not selfish. They are the foundation of every mentally strong person who has ever existed. 10 habits, 10 replacements. Avoiding discomfort replaced with seeking challenge. Overthinking replaced with the 5-second rule. Seeking validation replaced with internal approval. Complaining replaced with solution finding. Living in the past replaced with present focus. Comparison replaced with personal growth tracking. People-pleasing replaced with confident boundaries. Avoiding decisions replaced with decisive action. Victim mentality replaced with creator mindset. And no boundaries replaced with non-negotiable protection of your mental space. Here is the truth that most people never confront. Mental weakness is not a personality trait you were born with. It is a skill set you have been accidentally practicing through avoidance, through overthinking, through people-pleasing, through seeking approval. You have been training your brain for weakness, and now those habits feel completely natural. But mental strength is also a skill set, and it is built the exact same way. Through daily practice of the replacement habits. Through choosing discomfort over comfort. Through building your identity from the inside out instead of the outside in. One day at a time, one choice at a time, until strength becomes just as natural as weakness used to be. Your challenge: pick just one habit from this list that you recognize most strongly in yourself. Just one. And for the next 30 days, practice only its replacement. One habit changed consistently is worth more than 10 habits changed half-heartedly. In 30 days, you will not recognize the mental strength you have built. If this video exposed something you needed to hear, smash that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this message reach someone who is struggling with these same habits and desperately needs this information. Subscribe to Mind Wealth with the notification bell. Every single week, I release psychology, discipline, and wealth content designed specifically to build the mindset of someone who is completely unstoppable. Comment strong below with the one habit you are replacing starting today. I read every single comment, and I will personally reply to yours. See you in the next video. Go build that unbreakable mind.